Hi friend, is your laser hair removal business also experiencing these difficulties? Able to provide personalized treatment plans for different skin colors. Part maintenance takes a lot of time. Customer satisfaction is not high. It's time to change to a new nano laser hair removal machine. This machine comes with 4 wavelengths: 755, 808, 940, and 1064 nanometer, and it can provide personalized treatment plans for customers of all skin colors. The USA Coherent Laser bar, it can shoot 200 million times. Handle with color touch screen, easy to operate. "4K 15.6 Android screen, easy to operate, and it has 16 languages for your choice. There are 3 different spot size optional: 15 by 16 nanometer, 15 by 26 nanometer, and 15 by 38 nanometer. And 6 nanometer small treatment tip can be choice. In addition, you can also purchase replaceable spot size. Excellent cooling effect is also the highlight of this machine. TC cooling system can cool down 1 to 2 degrees in 1 minute. Sapphire freezing point, painless permanent hair removal, providing customers with a comfortable treatment experience and improving customer reputation. 2 years warranty and 24 hours technical support and after-sales service. 18th anniversary promotion is processing. Contact us now.
Jungle Moonlight.